Hello YouTube, this is a video of my repeating Kinex gun. This gun is powered by rubber bands or elastic cord. I like to use elastic cord because it's a lot stronger and it doesn't like snap or tear. So I had to mod a few things to get this to work right. The firing pin, I had to use a soldering gun to melt two rods together so it's long enough, otherwise it wouldn't push the bullet through the barrel all the way and it would get caught and kind of sucked. So to fire it, pretty much you just insert the firing pin, push that in, and you have to hook this up to the bottom right there, push it under so it's even, so when you pull it back the rod doesn't bend either way. And then when it's lined up, you load the bullets. It shoots these. It's two gray pieces connected by a short rod, green or black or whatever kind you have. So you just load those into the magazine right here. And then you take the slide. You kind of have to sand these edges down so that it fits nicely into the magazine. Just push it up and put the rubber bands onto these pieces. And to shoot, all you do is pull back this firing pin. Trigger isn't working. Okay. And it will keep it in place. And you pull the trigger. It's pretty powerful already, but it can be more powerful. All you need to do is add more elastic cord. So pretty much it's a sweet gun. I'll be coming out with an instructional video on how to make it pretty soon, and I'll keep working on it and make it better and maybe come out with some new versions. I pretty much came up with the designs all by myself except for the trigger, which I got from an Instructables on how to make a Kinex gun. It sucked though, so I made this. Okay, so I'm looking forward to making my next video, and see you next time.